Let's start with the budget economic terms. First of all, we will try to understand what is budget size, budget outlay. So, it is the total amount of money that the government will spend in a financial year. So, the budget size is total expenditure of government within a financial year. Chhattisgarh state budget is 1,72,000 crores. So, the budget side is equal to government annual spending plan. Second thing, revenue receipt. So the meaning of revenue receipt is money received by government without creating any liability. मतलब बिना किसी लोन के, बिना किसी लाइबिलिटी के क्रिएट किए जो मनी गवर्नमेंट रिसीव करती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट, लाइक टैक्स, फीस, फाइन्स, इंटरेस्ट, रिसिप्ट्स, dividends from PSU, etc. These are revenue receipts. And for example, GST collection by the government is a part of revenue receipt. So the revenue receipt is income without debt, income of the government without debt. After that, capital receipt. So capital receipt is the money received either by creating, it is a money received either by liability or reduction of assets, या तो उधार लेके या तो कुछ चीज़ गिरवी रख के या बेच के. सो द सोर्सेस ऑफ कैपिटल रिसिप्ट्स आर बोरोविंग्स, लोन्स, रिकवरी ऑफ लोन्स, डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट्स. गवर्नमेंट बोरोस 10,000 crores, which means the trick is about capital receipt is loan or asset sell by the government. After that, revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure means expenditure that does not creates asset. It is expenditure for daily running, daily process, and it does not create assets. For example, सैलरीज, पेंशन, सब्सिडीज़, इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट, ये सब चीज़ें डेली एक्सपेंडिचर हैं. रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट इज़ डेली रनिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. आफ्टर दैट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, केपेक्स. इट इज़ द एक्सपेंडिचर दैट क्रिएट्स आइदर एसेट्स और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Now we will try to understand, like example, roads, bridge, schools, hospitals, irrigation projects. These are capital expenditure. So the construction of new hospital is a capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means asset creation. After that we will understand about fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit, most important, the amount by which the total expenditure exceeds the total receipt. It is a difference. मतलब फिस्कल डेफिसिट कुल मिला के घाटा है. सो खर्चा ज़्यादा हो जाना इनकम से, और कितना ज़्यादा हो गया है खर्चा इज़ नोन एज फिस्कल डेफिसिट. सो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फिस्कल डेफिसिट इज़ टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट माइनस नॉन डेप्ट कैपिटल रिसिप्ट. इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन ये है कि गवर्नमेंट को कितना उधारी लेना पड़ेगा. फिस्कल डेफिसिट इज़ Chhattisgarh is 20,400 crores. Government must borrow this amount to meet their needs. So the fiscal deficit is borrowing requirement. Borrowing requirement of the government is known as fiscal deficit. क्योंकि खर्चा ज़्यादा है रिसिप्ट से. After that, we will understand about revenue deficit. The revenue deficit is when the revenue expenditure is more than revenue receipt, and how much it is more than that is known as revenue deficit. It is the difference between the revenue expenditure and revenue receipt. After that, government's regular income is insufficient to meet the daily need. Daily need के लिए it is insufficient. After that, revenue deficit is daily expense ज़्यादा है compared to daily income. The expense is more than revenue Receipts is revenue, expenditure is daily running cost. Revenue deficit is a reduction in the expenditure minus income. Expenditure कितना ज़्यादा हो गया वो जानेंगे. Then after that, primary deficit. It is the deficit between the fiscal deficit minus interest payment. क्योंकि मान के चलो हम लोग 10,000 उधारी लिए, उसमें हम लोग को 500 इंटरेस्ट पे करना है. So actually the primary deficit is at the current moment is 10,000, but the extra 5,500 is our interest. So it is the difference between fiscal deficit and the interest payment. It shows the current year's fiscal stress. It shows fiscal stress of current year. Now primary deficit is equal to real current deficit. After that, GSDP, the total value of goods and services that is produced within the boundary of state during 1 year is known as GSDP. The state version of GDP is GSDP. इंडिया का GDP, छत्तीसगढ़ का GSDP. And GSDP of छत्तीसगढ़ is 631,290 करोड़. 631,290. 6,31,290 करोड़. 631,290 करोड़. GSDP is state economy का size. After that, we will understand about fiscal deficit as percentage of GSDP. So the meaning is measures deficit relative to size of the economy. It is a comparative analysis of deficit as per the size of economy. Measuring the deficit as per the size of economy. So fiscal deficit percentage is equal to fiscal deficit divided by GSDP into 100. फिस्कल डेफिसिट है 20. Fiscal deficit is 20,400 crore. GSDP is 631,290 crore. So the fiscal deficit percent is 2.87%. After that, PSC fact. So the FRBM Act aims to keep the fiscal deficit around 3% of the GDP or GSDP. Now types of budget. सरप्लस बजट मतलब क्या, इनकम ज़्यादा हो गया एक्सपेंडिचर से, income is greater than spending, so the government saves the money. Deficit budget, which means the expenditure is more than income, so the spending is more than income, government borrows money. After that, balanced budget. where income is equal to expenditure, income is equal to spending, so that there is no surplus, no budget, neither saving, neither borrowing. After that, public debt, meaning total outstanding loans of the government. So the sources are market borrowings, RBI, financial institution, small savings. So the fiscal deficit is equal to total loan burden of the government. Tax revenue is money collected through taxes. Money through taxes is known as tax revenue. GST, excise duty, stamp duty, vehicle tax, etc. Tax revenue is government's tax income. After that, one line revision. Total government spending is budget size. Income without borrowing is revenue receipt. Loan plus asset sale is capital receipt. Salary, pension, subsidy is revenue expenditure. Asset creation is capital expenditure. Revenue, when revenue expenditure is greater than revenue receipt, then revenue deficit. Total borrowing need is fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit minus interest payment is current deficit, primary deficit. Then state economy size is GSDP. State's financial health indicator is fiscal deficit or GSDP percent. RR is revenue receipt. RC is capital receipt. RA is revenue expenditure. C is capital expenditure. FD is fiscal deficit. PD is primary deficit. GSDP is state economy size. Thank you.